It's a cold start. Nothing's hot. Nothing's burning my hand. Under the heads, everything. Nothing hot. No gas pedal, nothing. Why big girls going to the shop. Main reason is the brake booster and the master cylinder. I want to, get them chromed out to match up more of the engine. Jebs was good enough to send me, I lost the directions. Jebs was good enough to send me everything back from my mechanic. Shout out to them. I'm going to go ahead and flush out the radiator. Summer's coming up, so get all that going, make sure she doesn't overheat. Gonna go ahead and do the tune-up, change the oil, filter, spark plugs, and I'm gonna do the wheel wells front and back, the wheel bearings, I'm sorry, front and back. So we can get her squared away for the summer, for the 4th of July. And these are all the nuts and bolts that they'll need to get that master cylinder and brake booster in there. Brake fluids on point, ready to go.